Then, now for camera girl, Amy, you're welcome. I humble Queen, one Nuku, a mass on me, on winning. Even an a bomb, Amati Sulu, and compound number on winners compound. All a 9 o'clock bomb, all late job on winning in Amati Sulu. And then her bond that girl bomb, Okpu, then they see Kawu the daughter of the land, hello, area, as in they come together to do Okpu. So we are doing the Okpu of my fathers today. The 3 communities that comprises of my village, we have Umogele, Umeke, Umunkolo. So there are the 3 sections you're seeing outside. And very soon we proceed, me and my brother's wife, the grandchildren, we proceed to greet them and to welcome them formally. So they are here to condole with us and take their rights. Just like I told you, they are a very strong group. Okpu people, they demand a whole lot. They are strong. We have cow to present to them. We have one bag of rice each for the Umeke, Umogila, and Umunko. We have rice cooked and so many other things. We have oba and other things. Their drinks is uncountable. They used to eat beans. You cook coolers of beans for them, coolers of corn. You have pataka and coconuts to go alongside with it. Their demand is wonderful, but they are very strong and supportive people. So, I want the day here. They should be weekend. The whole day, family. But a deep amapanum, how Bob one day again, how again. Okay, thank you, sir. Do the ring.